the primary factor is the height of the part itself, right? So you know you need at least that height for the part to form. And then, of course, the clearing height to allow it to feed forward. So if you have a long arm that you bend up, you don't need to consider necessarily the long arm that you're bending up, because the bend, doesn't require that much stroke, but you still need to have enough room to clear so that long arm can be fed forward. So it's primarily the shape of the part, the size of the part, that gives you the best indication. It tells you quite quickly where you'll have to be as far as stroke is concerned. So you take the height of the part and you double it, and you have already a good starting point. There's a few obvious things that I would look for, and that is feet alignment in relationship to the die. So if a die is inserted at a slight angle on the press bed and the strip doesn't flow in the proper axis neutral, so that can very quickly lead to problems, especially in very long progressive dies. Very long progressive dies also have the weakening of the web, so that's another thing to consider. Often, I think you are the die guy, Pete. You probably could answer that better. It's the leading edge, the condition of the leading edge.
Yes. Yeah, and how level the strip is going through the die. If you have any kind of lift in the die, including oil seal breakers and things like that, can make threading the die challenging.
Yes, that's correct. Of course, it's a mechanical adjustment. There's adjustable stroke presses for that very reason. And understanding the stroke is important. Adjustable stroke exists. It's in a mechanical adjustment, so it's not something that happens automatically or as easy as on a servo press. But definitely always pay good attention to the stroke.